Now see
Carbon.
what next I'll be talking about. I'll be talking about hydrocarbon. What I told you, hydrocarbons are the compounds of carbon with hydrogen. Hydrocarbons are the
Mhm.
compounds of carbon with hydrogen.
With hydrogen.
Compounds of carbon
With hydrogen.
with hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. Now see, as I told you, hydrocarbons we can classify into two groups. Hydrocarbons we can classify there into two groups. One is open chain hydrocarbon,
And closed chain hydrocarbon.
and then second is closed chain hydrocarbon. Open
Hmm.
chain hydrocarbon are known as acyclic,
Acyclic hydrocarbon.
acyclic or aliphatic or
Aliphatic.
aliphatic aliphatic hydrocarbon. And closed chain hydrocarbons are called cyclic hydrocarbons. Now
Hmm.
see, if open chain hydrocarbon, what does it mean? This is open chain. This chain is not closed now.
Yeah.
And what about this one? This chain is closed one now.
Yeah.
See, now you need to take care of the valency of carbon. See this carbon first. See here, this carbon first. How many valency it is having? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hmm.
All carbon must have valency 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
What about this carbon? 1, 2, 3,
2,
4.
3, 4. Hmm.
So
So
see here,
6 hydrogen,
C3.
3
How many
chlorine.
carbons are there? How many carbons are there? 3 carbons are
3.
there. So see, this turn is 1, 2, and 3. And all the carbons are having single bond now.
Mm-hmm.
All the 3 carbons are having carbon-carbon single bond now.
Yeah.
So see, since it is there in the form of cycle, so it is cyclo. And how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 carbons are there. So probe. Are you getting my point?
Yeah,
See
yeah.
how in steps I am doing this all. That's very important.
Yeah.
If you'll do it one shot now, then you will be making mistakes. So since it is there in the form of cycle, that's why you wrote cyclo. And since 3 carbon atoms are there, that's why you wrote probe. And between carbon-carbon, single bond is there. So ane, cyclopropane. What it is?
Cyclopropane.
What it is? Cyclopropane. Now
Cyclopropane.
see here, this carbon. See here, this carbon.
Yeah.
See this carbon. This carbon is having, okay, fine. You can note it down. Once it is finished, then I explain it.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, fine. See this carbon. This carbon is having valency 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 4. Now this carbon is having valency 4 now. Now go to the
Yeah.
second carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon is also having valency 4. Now the third carbon, this carbon is having valency 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what it is? It
Yeah.
is C3, C3. And how many H are there?
H8.
8 H are there. How many carbons are there? 3. So C3.
3.
And how many hydrogens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C3H8.
Yeah.
And how much
So
it
this
was
is propane,
here?
right?
C3. Here it was C3. You know? How many carbons? 3 carbons. And how many hydrogens? 1, 2, 3, 4,
6.
5, 6. C3H6. So that is cyclopropane. That is closed chain hydrocarbon. Now see, acyclic or aliphatic hydrocarbon, C3H8. How many carbons are there? 3.
8. Sorry,
How many
3.
carbons are there? 3.
3.
So probe. For 3, it is probe now.
Yeah.
And between carbon-carbon, single bond is there or double bond is there or triple bond is there?
Single bond. So
Single
ane.
bond. So
Propane.
suffix ane will be used, propane.
Okay.
Is it okay, beta?
So yeah, so this is acyclic propane and the other
Yeah.
one is cyclic propane.
Propane is
Cyclic
acyclic compound. Propane is acyclic compound.
acyclic. Okay.
Propane is acyclic compound. And
Okay.
cyclopropane is cyclic compound.
Got it.
Fine, beta?
Yeah.
Now see, since here carbon-carbon single bond was there. Now, since here carbon-carbon single bond was there, So this was first example. Now we'll go to the second example. Now see,
Okay.
we will take carbon-carbon double bond.
Okay.
Carbon-carbon double bond. See first carbon atom. What valency it is having?
1.
No,
Sorry,
see
2.
here how many bonds are written?
There are 2 bonds.
2. So 3, 4. Now first carbon is having 4 valency now.
Yeah.
See, this method is very easy, man. If you'll follow this now, you need not to learn this all. That's very easy. Now
Okay.
go to the second carbon atom. This carbon is having how many bonds? This second carbon
2.
is having how many bonds?
3. 3.
3. So
3
valency
bonds.
is 3. So you need to make it 4. Now it is 4 now.
Yeah.
What about the valency of the third carbon atom?
1.
1. So 2, 3, and 4. Is this all okay?
Yeah.
You can write it like this too. CH2 double bond CH. CH3. You can write it like this too. How many carbons are there? How many carbons are there? 1, 2, and 3. So it is probe. What it is?
Probe.
And between carbon-carbon, double bond is there, or single bond is there, or triple bond is there? What is there between carbon-carbon?
Triple bond?
Double bond. Where is triple, beta?
Because the 3 bond. Oh, okay. Never mind.
This is double bond, na?
Yeah.
So
Okay.
suffix "ene" will be used. What it will be used? "Ene" will be used. Is this okay?
Propene.
Propene. Now see the third one. Between carbon-carbon, triple bond is there.
Okay.
Between carbon-carbon, triple bond is there.
Yeah. Okay.
Now see this first carbon. This first carbon is having how many bonds?
3 bonds. So it needs 1
3 valency
hydrogen.
you have written. If you'll add one more hydrogen, its valency will become 4. Na? What
Yeah.
about the valency of the second carbon atom? This carbon
4.
atom, what valency it is
It's
having?
4.
4. So you need not to put any hydrogen. Already it is 4 now.
Yeah.
Now see, what about the third carbon? What valency it is having?
1.
1. So see, 2, 3, 4. Is this okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
How else you can write it?
You can write it at CH.
Very good.
3.
Triple
No,
bond.
wait.
Not 3.
CH triple bond.
CH triple
Right.
bond. Then C.
CH3. Sorry,
See how many
CCH3.
carbon? Yeah. How many
So
carbons were there?
C2CH3.
3. So probe and triple bond suffix "ine" will be used.
In propine.
This is propane. What propane? What propene?
Propene.
What propine?
Propine.
What propine? So see, here it is A, there it is E, and at last it is Y.
Okay. Yeah.
See, here it is ane, A. Here it is ene, E. Here it is ine, Y.
I.
So acyclic or aliphatic or open chain hydrocarbon can be classified into 3 classes. What first is? First is alkane.
Alkene and alkyne, right?
Alkane. What alkane? They are also known as paraffins. What's the meaning of paraffin? Paraffin means less affinity to react. Less affinity to react. Paraffin wax, you know na? Paraffin wax.
Yeah.
If you'll be putting wax there on anything, then it won't be getting reacted with any other substance now. It will become inert. It will become inert, unreactive. That is less affinity to react.
Acyclic. Let me just make the notes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done.
Fine. See, now see
Yeah.
it out. C3H8 you have written here now. C3H8 you have written here now.
Yeah.
So its general formula will be Cn.
See what?
Cn. C3 is Cn. N is equal to 3.
Okay. Oh
N
yeah.
is equal
Yeah.
to 3. And H is how much? 2n plus 2. 2n 2n
+2.
plus 2. 2n plus 2 means 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8.
Okay.
So their general formula, their alkane's general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Alkane's general formula is CnH2n plus 2.
Yeah. Okay.
Now see,
Done.
yeah. Now see, go to the next one, beta. This, when carbon-carbon double bond is there, such acyclic or aliphatic hydrocarbons are called as alkenes, or
Okay.
they are also known as olefins. They are also known as olefins. Olefins means derived from fats. Olefins means derived from
Derived from
fats.
fats.
Olefins means derived from fats.
Alkene. Okay.
Is this okay, beta?
Yeah, it's clear.
Here you wrote C3H8. Here you
Yeah.
wrote C3H8. Here it will be 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons. And how many hydrogens? 2 and 3 plus 3, 6. C3H6. See how many carbons
Okay.
are there? 1, 2, and 3 carbons. And then total, how many hydrogens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hydrogens. So C3H6.
Wait, there's paraffin and what's the next one? After paraffin, the alkene is also known as?
Paraffins, alkane, or paraffins that is less affinity to react.
No. Alkene.
Alkene, that is olefins. Olefins. Olefins means derived from fat. Olefins means
Derived
derived
from fat.
from fats. You know oil, na? Edible oil. In those
Yeah.
oils, this olefins are there. These alkenes are there.
Oh, okay. Okay. C3H6. Okay. Next
Now
one,
see,
right?
C3H6 is also done now.
Yeah.
What will be the general formula? What will be the general formula for alkenes? Cn,
CnH2n.
very good. CnH2n, very good. This is alkenes general formula, CnH2n.
Okay.
Is this okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Now see, go to the alkynes. In alkynes, how many carbons are there? This propine, how many carbons are there?
Propine means there's three.
3
There's
carbons.
3 bonds,
And
right?
how many hydrogens are there?
4.
4. Very good. C3H4.
So
So what will be its general formula?
CnHn plus 1.
Cn,
Hn plus 1.
yeah, beta, Cn. C is 3 na, N is 3 na.
Yeah.
So CnH2n. This will become C3H6. But here it is 4 na. So what you will write? -2.
Oh, okay.
CnH2n -2.
N H2N minus 2, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. There, what, when carbon-carbon first, carbon-carbon single bond was there, what it was? Alkene. When carbon-carbon double bond, alkene. This is carbon-carbon triple bond. So which class it
Alkyne.
belongs to? Alkynes. Is this okay, beta?
Yeah.
This is what open chain hydrocarbons are, acyclic or aliphatic hydrocarbons are.
Okay.
Now
I
see.
got it.
Now see.
Wait, I
Here,
have a question.
yeah, please.
So alkene is called paraffin.
Alkenes are also known as
Olefin.
olefins. Alkanes are known as paraffins.
So what's alkyne known as?
Alkynes are known as acetylenes, but that's not a good name. But still, you can write that. A-C-E,
Okay.
A-C-E-T-Y-L-E-N-E, acetylene. A-C-E-T-Y-L-E-N-E, acetylene.
Why is it not a good name?
Yeah, means that is not applicable for all. First member is acetylene, but rest are not.
Okay.
See, alkane is having some meaning. Alkenes are having some meaning. But what about this acetylene? Acetylene is not having any meaning.
Okay.
Without
Okay.
any reason, that name you have given to them. That's why it is not a good name.
Okay. I got it.
Should I go to the next one?
Yeah.
Now, we'll focus on this open chain or acyclic or aliphatic hydrocarbon first, then we will go to this closed chain hydrocarbon. Fine. We'll first focus on this so that your concept get cleared. Now, see, can you tell me this name?
Four carbons, right? So
And you have to put hydrogens also.
butene, the first one.
Just write hydrogens also. So you have to tell me that what is its name, C4H, and here also C4H what?
Okay, I'll just do that. Butene H 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. It's two ones, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. H8.
Very good. C4H8, C4H8. So Cn, what H will be? 2N.
Yeah. Wait, why? You need.
N is 4 now.
Oh, okay. Okay.
N is 4 now. So H is double of 4, double of N. That is 2N.
Oh, N is whatever, as many amounts of carbon there is.
Yeah. N is the number of carbon atoms.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Okay.
Now see this second example. Can you complete it like this? What we have done this with this first example, now we need to do the same with second example.
Okay, it's three bonds, right? Butane.
Yes, very good. And what will be its formula?
One, two, three, four, five, 6. H6.
C4H6. Now see, Cn. N is 4.
Yeah.
H2N. H2N. 2 into 4 will
-2.
become 8 now.
Yeah, -2.
And how much you need? 6. So -2. Is this
I
okay?
understood.
Okay,
Yeah,
fine.
it's clear.
That's good, man. That's good. But now I'll change the method. What about the third one?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. H10.
H
10.
10. I'll check. C4
It's
H10.
C5. C5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, sorry. C5 H10. Yeah, that's correct. What will be its name?
5 is pent.
Pent.
That's something.
Pent.
Pentene.
E. Very good. What will be general formula? CN. CN. N is 5 na?
Yeah.
So H is
H2N.
2N. CN H2N. That means it is alkene. These two are what? These two are alkenes. These two are alkenes.
Alkenes.
Now see the next one. Now see the next one. What this is?
Okay, we don't try. 1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's also an alkene. C5H10.
No, just count the carbons, beta.
Oh, 10. 10, right?
How many carbons are
10.
there?
10.
Carbons.
Oh, sorry. No, hydrogen is 10.
No, I'm
Carbons are
talking about
6.
carbon.
6, 6.
6. Carbon 6. And what about hydrogen?
10.
10. So what would be
So
its name?
CN H2N minus 2.
No, see
Oh,
what question
name.
I'm asking. Give me that answer. I'm asking you name, not general formula.
Oh, hexane.
Hexane. Very good. And what will be its formula? CnH2n minus 2. CnH2n minus 2. Just
Minus
a minute,
2.
beta. Just a minute.